The marlow was once a very common species here in Australia and mainland Australia. Now, unfortunately, they're extinct on the mainland and they can only be found off a couple of islands in South Australia and one off Western Australia. Their genus name means dancing hare wallaby. So they look a little bit like a hare, but obviously very different. They're a macropod and in the macropod family. They are about 40 centimetres tall, so quite short. They're one of the smallest macropods that you can find. They've got very strong hind legs. They're quite graceful when they move. They have very soft brown greyish fur and a very strong thin tail and very short forearms to help them eat. These guys, cats did have an impact on them, but it was more change in fire regimes because these guys originally lived in semi-arid land where there was quite a lot of spinifex grasses, so a lot of their home that they were living in was getting wiped out by fires, unfortunately, and quite a lot of their food. They originally would live out in the wild in spinifex country, so they'd make their homes underneath spinifex bushes. They've got really strong stomachs, hardy stomachs, so they actually can eat spinifex grasses and quite a lot of other tough grasses and things like that that you find out here in Central Australia.